Hello everyone. I just moved out of college. Last night I came back home, so today is going to be part 1 of my college cleanse extravaganza, post-college reset kind of situation. So I think today the plan is to sort of put all my stuff where it belongs and then also clean, gotta do laundry, all that good stuff. So today's kind of the physical cleaning part. So it's been over a month since I moved out and unpacked and filmed these clips. Things got really hectic, not only with the unpacking, but also we were renovating one of the rooms because my sister was going to be moving out of our shared room. So you'll actually see this in this video. And also I was graduating, so there were a lot of things going on with that. It was just so hectic. So pretty much I started out by taking everything out of the bins and I wanted to give everything a nice wash. So I put everything in the dishwasher, which by the way did a way better job than the dishwasher at college. It was so satisfying. In case any of you guys are interested, I put out a packing and moving out vlog a little while back, so I will link that so you can watch that, which is kind of like the part 1 to this video.
But somehow we connect, acting drunk even though we're sober. We should be good, but we keep lighting fires. The words repeat because we're scared of the silence.
There was so much that had to be done, but basically the first step was to just take everything out of the bins and put it in the general area where it belongs, not necessarily decluttering or organizing too much at the beginning, but I was also kind of like cleaning things a little bit if they were dirty, like wiping them down and that kind of stuff.
It's deja vu. Memories come back when I'm with you.
So here I am putting away some of my techie office supplies, but I knew that this stuff was going to be moved upstairs because this room was actually going to become my sister's new bedroom. So I was sort of just putting it into the general drawer, but without organizing it too much. Because both of us were unpacking from college and simultaneously getting ready to kind of move our stuff from room to room, things got so crazy, but I was just sort of trying to put as much stuff into my future bedroom. This process took a couple of days. My room was a disaster for a few days in a row. I feel like just organizing your closet in itself is such a big task, but it's even harder when you're trying to do a couple of things all at the same time. So I think my technique kind of ended up being to first separate clothes into like general categories, like all the things I wanted to wash, everything that I knew I wanted to keep, and things that I wasn't sure that I wanted to keep. I was going to figure out the decluttering and which shelves I wanted to put stuff on in the following days.
Hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love?
As you might be able to tell by the randomness of this video, I wasn't just sticking to one thing a day. I was kind of doing a little bit of everything so I wouldn't get too tired of one task. And that way I could just really keep my head a bit more clear.
Me, I feel it will kill me when you leave and close my door.
I was so excited to wash just as much stuff as possible. I don't know, I felt like everything was just so dirty, and the washers at college never really did a good job of cleaning the clothes, and the clothes always felt like I don't know, didn't feel soft enough. So this was so nice. I was washing like a ton of blankets from college and also the stuff that was on my bed at home already. So there was just so much laundry to be done.
Love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door.
At this point, we started the process of moving my sister's furniture downstairs and all of my stuff upstairs. So I just emptied out everything from this closet and this bookshelf. I didn't actually need this bookshelf, like I was barely even using it. I didn't really film us moving furniture because it was really difficult. Our house has some pretty tight corners and hallways. But eventually we got everything where it was supposed to go.
Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily.
So this is what the room looks like without my sister's stuff. I still have to bring up my own desk. But yeah, this is kind of what it looks like, kind of empty, which is really interesting.
Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily.
So at this point, I sort of just moved everything into the room, but I didn't really organize or declutter anything yet. So that was just the whole next step. And this is what the room looked like with everything in here. We even added a couch here, which was kind of a surprise to me. I had no idea it was going to be there. And this is where the renovation portion starts. I mean, I only filmed a few clips, but yeah, I guess this is a renovation video now. This is the downstairs room, and we started painting it like a gray color. Oh my gosh, the walls were so dirty in this room. It was definitely need for a painting either way.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize. And that's what makes
So today I'm going to declutter my room. My sister has mostly moved out. Her clothes is still here, but everything else is gone. So I'm going to kind of go through some of my stuff, declutter it, put it where it belongs, clean, wipe down surfaces, and also maybe rearrange a tiny bit more in this place. All right, enjoy.
You might be like, Marina, well, what have you been doing for the past few days? Well, I have been kind of getting my stuff into the general areas where they belong, doing laundry, cleaning, but I haven't decluttered and I haven't reorganized, if that makes sense. A bit different. So that was kind of my goal here. So I was going to be putting away my stuff now that I had some different drawers open. Like these drawers used to be my sister's. That's why I have all of this stuff out here, because I took all of my stuff out of that dresser, if that makes sense. Hopefully.
It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah. We do this every day. We do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun.
In the dresser that my sister took, I mostly had just socks, underwear, like that kind of stuff. So I just put everything into a basket, and then I sorted it out based on category into these dividers from IKEA that I've featured many times in my videos before. I really should get some more, actually. I use them so much. I also took some time to actually plan out where I wanted what clothes to go on my iPad. I really like getting my thoughts out onto paper, or a paper-like thing, I guess. It just helps keep me organized.
Hold on, I don't want it to stop. Even though we fight sometimes and it feels like a war zone, I still care about us. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me and close the door. Baby, pull me closer now before it's over. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Oh, I know that it's difficult dealing with emotions, but I want you to know that you'll always be on my mind. Even in the hard times, I care about you. How do you move on when everything goes wrong? I'm trying to find a way to get you out my head. Don't know how to cope with being so broken. Girl, I can't forget about what we said. I just wanna love you a little bit more. Don't just walk away from me.
I thought that this part was way more fun than like the previous few days where I was just kind of in my room organizing there instead of running around the entire house and trying to get all of my stuff in one place. So I'm really excited that I'm just going to have one room that I need to worry about. Everything will be in this one spot pretty much.
How do you move on when everything is wrong? I'm trying to
Oh my gosh, in this clip you can tell how indecisive I am. I just keep moving everything around on top of this dresser. Spoiler alert, I actually ended up changing it again after this video.
I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Now I'm looking for something steady.
I also just cleaned up a bit. I had some scuffs on the walls and I washed the mirrors.
Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.
Towards the end of everything, I just worked a little bit on some of the decorations. I didn't get anything new for this room. I just worked with what I had, but I just wanted to switch things up just to make them look a tiny bit different. I like a little bit of a change here and there. So I was really happy with how everything turned out. So this is what my room looks like now. Not only is it unpacked from college, but it's also separated from my sister's room, and I am really happy with the way it looks. I love the decorations. This couch is so cozy, even though I didn't really want it here at first. And oh my gosh, you guys, I love how many fairy lights are in here. So cozy. Alrighty, you guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, even though it was a little bit all over the place. If you are interested in this kind of content, I'm going to be doing like some post-grad stuff, I guess, and I'm also going to do a digital declutter video next. Then click that subscribe button and also leave a comment about one thing that you really need to declutter and organize in your room. Alright, bye guys!
Oh,